Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 935 and this is by Hot Wheels and this is from their Retro Racer series. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. Okay, let's put some light here. Okay, here it is. The blue looks nice. It's like dark blue till here and it's faded here, and then dark blue till here and it's faded in the back. So this looks really nice. It is not heavy. It looks a bit heavy, but it is not actually heavy. I don't know if something is missing here. It does have some kind of stripe here. I don't know what it is. So the detailing is actually nice, and given that this is a basic Hot Wheels assortment car, and this looks really nice. And this one has the rear view mirrors as well, so that is a nice one actually, because in Hot Wheels cars you normally don't see this very often. Only in a very few models you can see this. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.